Hello.
Extreme right corner.
It's breakfast time.
This be what
That's
they
my
come.
yam.
If I drag the cursor, then if I take go the left corner, if I shift them,
Let's go and
it
eat.
is shift.
Good morning. It's about 11 in the afternoon. It's about 11 and I'm eating this today. Yam and some abom and egg. This is it. About today is 26th December. This is it. 26th December. And it's about, I hope you can see it's around 11:24, 23, 26th December. 26th December. Okay. And I'm now coming to eat breakfast. Yeah, I'm eating yam, egg, and some stew, garden egg stew. In an ordinary Ghanaian home, mostly. If you're unable to eat, sometimes we even normally don't eat very early in the morning. So instead of taking those beverages and the tea and all those other things, you work and it gets to almost in the afternoon and you have to eat heavy. So this is my brunch, breakfast and lunch combined. So I'm not eating in the afternoon, so I'm combining everything. You are invited. Okay. Come and let's eat. Come and let's eat. This week hasn't been easy. These landguards, Accra landguards, they are really frustrating my life. You cannot even grow in Accra. Everything you do, landguard will frustrate you. I'm really frustrated in fact, from last week. Maybe I'll share a story about this landguard and my experiences with them in another video. But today I'm just eating and then we'll be chatting. They can really frustrate your life and you wouldn't even know where to go to settle that issue. As it stands, the issue is still hanging and it hasn't been solved. But I have to eat. They won't allow you to even do anything. They don't only worry you when you are building. There are several other things that they will frustrate you on. And I'll mention those things in another video. Maybe a separate video. I will list some of the things that you do in this Accra. I don't know of other regions in Ghana. But in Accra, landguards will frustrate you in so many ways. I don't know if it happens to all other buildings or all other people in Accra, but for me, the experiences I've had with landguards, it's not easy. I just will make a video of those so that you get to know some of the things that they do. And how they can be very annoying. But honestly, you are invited. This is my breakfast and lunch. It's just an ordinary day in the house and I'm trying to eat. I'm combining my breakfast and my lunch because I didn't eat in the morning and it's getting to 12. So we are eating the breakfast and lunch together, brunch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You are all welcome today too. I hope you are all doing well. I'm also doing well. I'm doing very well. Just this landguard wahala is my issue. That is what is not has been bothering me, but I'm okay. It will definitely be solved. But I'll definitely share those things here so that those who are building will be aware of how they operate, what they do, how they can worry. Yeah. I don't know of others. Some don't get to experience it, but they can really frustrate people. And I've had a lot of experiences on that. Maybe in the next video, in the next 2 videos that I will do. I just want to find time that I can sit down and talk about them. Talk about so many things, but I don't really have that time. I'm always busy cooking and doing so many things in the house. But I'll find one day and list all the things. I'll talk about all the things that they can worry people about. If you can relate to that video, you can comment it under the comment section. But for today, it's just a chit chat video. Just sitting and then chatting with you. I hope you are enjoying yourselves. Okay. I'm also enjoying here. This is my food. I forgot to bring water to drink, but I'll finish and then I'll go and drink water. Okay, I think I will have to end the video here. And then I'll see you again in another video. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Bye. Let me continue eating. My little girl is coming. Oh, sorry, get up. Sorry, okay? Go ahead. Okay, have a nice day. Bye, everybody. I'll see you later. Yeah.
I do the fun.
You do the fun. Okay. You did well, okay? Will you eat? You want the egg? Eat some of the yam, okay? Why? Okay, bye.